Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Awin tracking links for affiliate marketing success step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Awin account. Navigate to the links section in the main dashboard. Select tracking links from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Tracking Link button. Choose the advertiser whose links you want to use. Next, you will see a list of available products or services. Browse through the options and select the one that fits your content. Once you find the product, click on Get Link. Awin will generate a unique tracking link for your selected product. Copy the generated tracking link to your clipboard. Now, navigate to your blog or website where you want to add the link. Decide on the placement of the link in your content. Highlight the text or image you want to turn into a clickable link. Insert the tracking link in the appropriate field. Make sure to include a clear call to action encouraging your audience to click. Save your changes and preview the content to ensure the link works. Test the link by clicking on it to see if it redirects correctly. Once confirmed, publish or update your content on the website. Keep monitoring your Awin dashboard for clicks and conversions. Regularly review your performance metrics to optimize your strategy. By following these steps, you can effectively install Awin tracking links. This will help maximize your affiliate marketing success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.